Einstein's genius unraveling the secrets of space and time. Ever wondered what it would be like to bend reality? Albert Einstein did more than wonder. He redefined it. Join us on a mind-bending journey to explore the universe through the eyes of a genius. Imagine swirling galaxies, cosmic wonders painted across the vast canvas of space. Einstein wasn't just an observer, he was a revolutionary. He challenged our fundamental understanding of the universe. Einstein's theories continue to shape our understanding of space and time. His insights have unlocked secrets that were once considered impossible to grasp. Prepare to have your perception of reality transformed. Einstein's theory of special relativity shattered the classical view of space and time. He revealed that they are not absolute but relative to the observer's motion. This was a radical departure from Newtonian physics. Visualize time as a fourth dimension, interwoven with the three dimensions of space. This four-dimensional fabric is what we call space-time. It's a concept that can be difficult to grasp, but essential to understanding Einstein's genius. The speed of light is the ultimate speed limit in the universe. Nothing can travel faster. This constant speed has profound implications for how we perceive time and distance. General relativity describes gravity not as a force, but as a curvature of space-time. Massive objects warp the fabric of space-time around them. This warping is what we experience as gravity. Think of a heavy ball placed on a trampoline. It creates a dip, causing other objects to roll towards it. This is analogous to how mass bends space-time, influencing the motion of other objects. Gravity affects the paths of light, bending them as they pass near massive objects. This phenomenon, called gravitational lensing, provides stunning visual evidence of Einstein's theory. It allows us to see objects that would otherwise be hidden. Black holes are regions of space-time with such intense gravity that nothing can escape, not even light. They are the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners. The event horizon is the point of no return around a black hole. Once you cross it, there's no going back. It's a boundary beyond which the laws of physics as we know them break down. Black holes play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies. They can influence the formation of stars and the distribution of matter. They are powerful engines driving cosmic processes. Einstein's theories aren't just abstract concepts. They have practical applications in modern technology. GPS systems, for example, rely on the principles of relativity to provide accurate location data. Satellite communication also depends on the corrections predicted by relativity. Without these corrections, our communication systems would be significantly less accurate. Einstein's work is woven into the fabric of our modern world. The theory of relativity continues to inspire advancements in astrophysics and cosmology. It provides the foundation for understanding the universe's origins, evolution, and ultimate fate. Einstein's legacy lives on in every scientific discovery. Einstein's genius has profoundly impacted our understanding of the universe and its mysteries. He opened our eyes to a reality far stranger and more beautiful than we could have ever imagined. His work continues to inspire generations of scientists and thinkers. Ready to delve deeper into the cosmos? Explore the mind-bending world of quantum physics, or research the latest discoveries in astrophysics. Share this video with your friends and family to spark their curiosity about the universe. Subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content, and join us as we continue to unravel the secrets of space and time.